A shifter that feels loose or doesn't move smoothly makes driving difficult. Transmission leaks can damage your car if not fixed early. Fixing these problems can save money and keep the car running safely. Here are some simple ways to fix a sloppy shifter and a leaking transmission. Low transmission fluid is one of the main causes of sloppy shifting. Check the fluid level using the dipstick when the engine is warm. Add the recommended type of fluid if it is low. This often improves shifting immediately. Also, make sure to check for any leaks around the transmission, as fluid loss can happen over time. Old or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems. Draining and replacing it with fresh fluid keeps the transmission working properly. Make sure to use the type of fluid recommended in your car manual. Dirty fluid can cause the transmission to slip or shift roughly. Flushing the system and refilling with clean, recommended fluid helps restore smooth shifting and extends the life of the transmission. A worn or damaged gasket can cause transmission leaks. Remove the pan and inspect the gasket for cracks or leaks. Replace it if needed to stop the leak. A damaged gasket can also let dirt and debris enter the transmission, causing more problems. Installing a new gasket ensures a tight seal and helps maintain proper fluid levels for smooth shifting. Bushings around the shifter can wear out over time, causing a sloppy feeling. Replace the bushings with new ones to make shifting tighter and smoother. Worn bushings can also create extra play in the shifter, making it hard to select gears accurately. Upgrading to new bushings restores precise movement and improves overall driving control. The linkage connects the shifter to the transmission. If it is bent or loose, the shifter will feel sloppy. Inspect and adjust the linkage to restore proper movement. Damaged or worn linkage can prevent the transmission from fully engaging gears. Tightening, realigning, or replacing the linkage ensures accurate shifts and a firmer shifter feel. Some cars use a cable instead of a linkage. A stretched or damaged cable can cause sloppy shifting. Replace the cable if it shows signs of wear. A worn cable can also make it hard to shift into certain gears or cause delayed engagement. Installing a new cable restores smooth, precise shifting and improves overall transmission performance. Using the right type and quality of fluid helps the transmission work properly. Poor quality fluid can cause leaks and sloppy shifting. Using the correct, high-quality fluid keeps the transmission running smoothly and extends its lifespan. By following these ways, your car can shift smoothly, and transmission leaks can be stopped before they cause serious damage.